Welcome back, Michael. Oh, is that for me?
After hours, step by
Hope you had a good run.
streetlight glow, easy breath.
Whoa, check out this mud. Fabric and soil level check completed. I'll wash it and dry it clean to match this fabric.
A balanced diet keeps you healthy. A chicken poke? Good.
Bixby, open the fridge door.
Running was worth it.
Sorry to interrupt while you're working. I'll just clean up over here quietly. Oh, that's another masterpiece. Oops, spotted a tiny piece. No worries, taking a detour.
I'll quickly cool down this stuffy room for you. Switching to silent wind-free mode, so it won't disturb your shoot. Oh, we can edit that out.
Enabling better living. Bespoke AI.